Juicing provides an easy and efficient way to meet your dietary requirements for fruit and vegetables in the most nutrient-packed form. With the Breville Juice Fountain Elite, you'll enjoy making your own homemade, supercharged juices and never go back to the bottled variety. With the juicer all set up, simply use the Breville Clean and Green Juicer Bag for a quick and easy cleanup. A great staple for any juice are apples. Power up the juicer and place a golden delicious into the 3-inch feed tube. Granny Smith apples tend to be a little tart, but experimenting is half the fun. Look at that natural apple juice and now look at it against a store-bought apple juice. Notice the darker yellow colour, where all the apple juice has been pasteurised at extreme temperatures, so it loses all of its live enzymes and nutrients. Adding lemon to any concoction will also delay the oxidisation process and help juice retain its colour. Pineapple is also great with any drink and will add a little tropical flavour. But unlike other juices that require you to cut off the skin, the Juice Fountain Elite is powerful enough to juice with the rind on. This is good because right near the surface of the skin is where all the nutrients live. Power up the juicer on the high speed setting and then juice the pineapple. Now pour it over ice, as ice tends to make juices even more delicious. The Juice Fountain Elite is fitted with a safety device, which safeguards against overheating and excessive loads. If the device is tripped, the unit will switch itself off. If that happens, just unplug the unit and allow it to cool, and then press the overload protection button on the base of the motor and it'll be ready to go. Get into the habit of cleaning your juicer after each use to avoid juicing stains from darker vegetables like beets. First, remove the pulp bag. You can always freeze the pulp to use later in soups, casseroles or baking. And because the Breville Clean and Green juicer bags are biodegradable, you can throw it all into the compost. Use the spatula side of the included cleaning brush to get right into the crevices to remove all of the pulp, and then rinse. Hand wash all the parts or put in the top shelf of a dishwasher. But the actual filter can't go in the dishwasher. Clean it by brushing the outside of the mesh first, then the inside. Get into the habit of juicing to meet all your daily fruit and vegetable requirements, but in a glass. The Juice Fountain Elite, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
$1,700 watts of smart technology, programmed to blast at the perfect speed, transforming food into nature's prescription. When you commit to reclaiming your life, good habits become completely automatic. Introducing the world's most powerful nutrient extractor, the Nutribullet Rx.
The great taste of pure and simple ingredients come to your home with the Jamba Professional Citrus Juicer. Now you can make fresh squeezed, delicious juices, craft amazing cocktails, create smooth salad dressings, and even prepare desserts, all with just the press of a handle. The Jamba Professional Citrus Juicer delivers maximum extraction with minimal effort thanks to the rack and pinion design. Up to 550 pounds of press force squeezes juice from citrus fruits and pomegranates, no peeling required. With no electricity necessary and an ergonomic, easy grip handle, it's so easy to use, anyone can enjoy freshly squeezed juice blends in no time. Squeeze anything from key limes to grapefruit. Simply press the handle and let the stainless steel reamer efficiently separate the seed and pulp. Because this citrus juicer is made with heavy-duty metal parts and an acid-resistant finish designed for maximum juice yield and outstanding durability, you're guaranteed years of juicing goodness. Goodness that is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Juice is neatly directed into the glass with a drip spout. Lead the healthy, active lifestyle you enjoy with a fresh squeezed juice every day. It's never been easier thanks to the power and simplicity of the Jamba Professional Citrus Juicer.
Vitamins. You want to make sure that you cut the greens and vegetables so that they fit the chute of the juicer. The celery is already going to fit fine, so I don't need to cut it at all. Next, I'm going to add kale. Kale is loaded with calcium, and green juice is a great way to get it into your diet. I'm going to put the kale in stem side first into the juicer. Next, I'm going to add spinach. Spinach is really high in protein. Next, I'll add cucumber. I'll go ahead and cut the cucumber so it fits the juicer. I'll cut it in half, then again lengthwise, and lengthwise again. I love how quiet this juicer is. It runs at a slow speed and a low temperature, so it's really gentle on the greens and vegetables. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a broccoli stalk to this green juice. When you eat broccoli, there's no need to throw away the stalks. They're perfect with green juice, and they add a lot of antioxidants and vitamins to your juice. I'll go ahead and cut this in half lengthwise so that it easily fits through the chute of the juicer. Next, I'm going to add some romaine lettuce. Romaine is a milder green than kale or spinach, so it's going to give our juice a very gentle, mild, light flavor. I'll go ahead and cut it so that it easily fits through the chute of the juicer. I'll cut off the bottom. This is a big head of romaine, so I'll cut about half of this in half lengthwise. And that should fit through the juicer fine. Next, I'm going to add green apples and lemon. They're going to give sweetness and zest to our green juice and make it taste like lemonade. I'll start with the green apples. I'm going to cut them into chunks so that they fit through the chute of the juicer. The green color of these apples is going to go perfectly with the vibrant green of the juice. Finally, I'll add some lemon. That'll really perk up the flavor of the greens. I'm just peeling the lemon. I've made enough for 2 large servings, or just for myself to drink all morning long. I like to store this juice in glass mason jars. Because the Tri-Best juicer is so gentle on greens and vegetables, it will actually keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. I can't think of a better way to start the day than with a green juice that tastes good and gives your body all the nutrients it needs. Green juice can even give you a little morning buzz that will help you keep up with all the coffee drinkers out there. But you'll have no caffeine jitters, just the calm energy of your body feeling its best.